So hello guys, today in this video we are learning Python. So Python is best programming language and easiest programming language according to Google. Then to install it, first we need to download Python. So open Chrome, then type here python.org. Then click on download, select your platform like if you are Mac OS, Linux, Windows, any other. Then go, I have Windows, so go to Windows. Most of people uses Windows. Okay, so now what to do is just go click and download the latest version. Then after downloading we need a code editor, so I will prefer you to use VS Code, Visual Studio Code. So go to code.visualstudio.com, then click here download for Windows, or you can download from anything, bro. Then after downloading, now open Visual Studio Code, bro. It is opening. Tap, tap. Okay, so then click on open folder, then select any folder you are working for, like let's open test. So bro, it is up. Then go to extensions page. Then scroll down. Then install this Python extension, Pylance extension. Then also but if you download Python, it will automatically download Pylance and also PyDebugger. So after it, click here, new file, type any name, then type some code, then click here to run. I'm in wait. Then click here to run. Okay, it will show hello world. We can type anything here, like I am typing I like burger. I like burger. So this is how you can run. Then is comments. Comments are something that is ignored by the editor. Like I typed this as a comment. So you can see it is ignored by the editor because it is not just thing. It is used to describe this line of code that because if we write many line of code like 1421 quadrillion, then people cannot understand this. So you can just directly use comments for describing this. Or if you want multi-line comments, so do this. Then type this is multi-line comment. Okay, so it is a multi-line comment. We can type it, but this is single line comment. Okay, so that's it. So this is Python. We will learn next in the next episode. oriented part. So I guess goodbye. Wait a minute, not goodbye, bro. Not even close. There's an AI for Visual Studio Code. So download this GitHub Copilot. Search GitHub Copilot, bro. Okay, so this is GitHub Copilot. Install it and also install the GitHub Copilot chat. After installing these, it is a AI code. It is a AI, bro. You can say it AI. It is an AI that is your AI pair programmer. You can say, okay, that's like this. Okay. So this is an AI for typing code. You can do anything. So today, I guess, goodbye.